windscreen protection, what's the advantages? Advantages are obviously the main one. We're withstanding those rock chips. During product testing, we actually shot the screen with BB guns and it bounced off. It's 99.99% UV resistant. It's optically clear, very thick. So in a few years time, a big screen like this, guys, this screen is like all the way up here. In a few years time, I can peel this screen, this protector off, and it's going to be absolutely perfect underneath. Think of it like a phone screen protector for your glass. Not a cheap service, but one that is absolutely essential in my opinion. One of the most favorite things that we do. So I'm going to take you through the process and you'll see exactly what's happening. And we are preparing the screen now. So first things first, wash the screen. We're going to get all our detailing brushes in all these cracks. We're going to use the clay mitt to make sure we're getting all decontaminants off, and then we're going to get it inside and start the process. Into the unit, we use this nice soft covering, so it's got a soft back, the bonnet's cleaned off, and this becomes our workspace. So it's a proper this is actually for replacing a windscreen, so it's nice and thick. I can spray all the liquids on here and I know that the bonnet or anything isn't being affected. What we're doing now is polishing the screen by hand using a relatively abrasive compound to just get any contaminants off. Remember, we've already clay barred it and washed it down, and we're just going to keep going over this process to make sure we've got a perfect screen. So now just spraying the solution on. I can see that we've removed our ceramic that was on the glass because it was bleeding heavily. And what we're going to do is we're just going to do this a few times just to make sure. It's a little bit overkill, but just make sure we're getting a really clean finish. So we've measured our screen and here is our stuff, as you can see, super thick, and we're about to cut this piece. Obviously I can't do it with you guys watching, so we've measured 155 over, and now I'm going to chop it, get it over to the bonnet, which is our working area. Like so. And then we're going to go up, working in our triangles. I know that centre piece, I'm going to need to work on that because I can't quite reach. And then we'll go like that. The final piece from the outside, installed to perfection. Look at that, fantastic. And I shall get it out, leave it to dry for about another hour, and then I'll get it outside and I'll show you what it looks like outside. And here it is from the inside, looking pretty much invisible. Again, a little bit of water to dry out, but guys, and what's fantastic, it's crazy, no heat is coming through there really. Like I say, 99.9% UV resistant. Another windscreen protection done. Really pleased with this service. I absolutely think it is just golden. So just to recap, we've got a TPU plastic protector. So this isn't like bodywork PPFs. These are a lot thicker. Takes some skill to mold it and get it how you want it to do, but obviously we are very well known for our PPF detailing and wrap services, so we can work with it. Now this is going to resist rock chips, it's going to resist pretty much anything that heats it. You'll be surprised. Like I said, in product testing we was firing BB guns, we was throwing stones. Guys, it really makes a massive difference to the fortification of your screen. As you can see, this is a giant screen, goes all the way up to here. We've got sensors in there. Guys, it's a no-brainer. So really looking forward to hearing some real world feedback from this customer, and we'll go from there. So guys, anybody that's interested in this service, please give us a call, drop us a DM, and we'll go from there. Thank you very much. Peace.